If you're looking for a simple and effective way to store and organize social media content ideas, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that, so you never lose track of your great ideas again. One of the easiest and most effective methods to organize your social media content ideas is by using a content management system, whether that's a digital tool or a physical notebook. For those of you looking for an easy digital solution, this software is one of the best options out there. You can store, categorize, and access your ideas quickly, all in one place. Start by creating broad categories for your content. Think about things like product updates, community engagement, industry news, or motivational posts. This gives you a solid structure for storing your ideas. Each time a new idea comes to mind, you can assign it to one of these categories. It helps keep things organized and saves time when you're ready to create posts. Next, make sure you can add key details to each idea. For example, you can include the type of content it is, whether it's a blog post, image, or video, and if you already have any links, images, or drafts, attach those too. With this software, you can easily store this information and access it with just a few clicks. Another important step is setting deadlines or reminders for when you plan to work on each idea. This keeps your content creation process on track and helps you stay consistent with posting. With the right tool, you can set reminders for each post based on the best time to publish for your audience. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, don't worry. I've tried some of the most popular tools, and this software stood out because it's simple to use, intuitive, and effective. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial for you. Just check the description below. You can try it out and follow along with me. But here's the secret. The real power comes from reviewing and refining your ideas regularly. Set aside time each week to go through your content ideas, tweak them, and decide what's ready to post. This practice keeps your social media content fresh, relevant, and engaging. To recap, first, categorize your content ideas. Second, add important details like content type and any attached files. Third, set deadlines and reminders to stay on track. And finally, review and refine your ideas regularly. The key takeaway here is that organizing your social media content ideas is all about creating a system that works for you. Whether you use this software or another tool, the most important thing is staying organized and consistent. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial for the software in the description below. It's a great way to start storing and organizing your content ideas like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.